Hello. In this video, we are going to walk through how to drill down inside of Acumatica. So throughout Acumatica, you'll see quite frequently there's going to be blue hyperlinks. And when you see those, you're always able to drill in to see more information. The report that we're going to look at for this example is going to be the AR aging report. I'm going to keep this report format detailed, and then I'm just going to keep the default Acumatica parameters that are set. If I go ahead and click Run Report, what you'll see here is this is going to give me my full AR aging report. Now, as you notice, as I mentioned before, there are going to be these blue hyperlinks. These will be across different screens and different reports inside of the system. Whenever you see one and you're always curious, you can always go in and click the blue hyperlink, and it will take you to whatever information you're looking at. For our example, we're looking at the AR aging report, and we clicked into this AA customer for Alta Ace. Once I did this, what we're actually able to see is the same information in a way, but in a different way. If we look right here, just to show you for this particular report, we have our balance. And right here, we also have the same balance. So we're able to see the same information oftentimes with drill down capabilities in more than one way. If you notice right here, we have our invoice. So let's say I was curious about this invoice and I wanted to take a look at it because I maybe noticed something was off with it, or maybe noticed the terms weren't what they should be. I can click into the invoice under the ref number, and this will automatically take me to this direct invoice right here. And so anywhere you see that blue hyperlink inside of Acumatica, you're always able to click in. Let's say that you clicked into the invoice and you noticed that something wasn't quite right on one of the inventory items. Again, as we see this blue hyperlink, you can always click in and you can see the blue hyperlink. This is the case whether you're running an AR aging report or a sales order summary report. You're always able to drill in to further information anytime you run a report inside of Acumatica. I hope this video helps, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.